Now this display was so popular in our previous showroom that we just replicated it here. This is our Stanbury door style, the most contemporary shaker door that we offer. It's a 19mm thick painted MDF door featuring a routed centre panel. All around the walls we've used dove grey, and then we've used a contrasting colour on the island in Cobham blue to achieve maximum impact. The island absolutely does all the talking in this kitchen. It's got a huge double Belfast sink. It's got a raised seating section on the end which has been created using our 900 high base units. On the opposite end, almost like a distinct piece of furniture, is a double base unit topped with oak worktop. To bring more focus to the range run of units, we've stepped these forwards and created a mantle above. The mantle has been trimmed using some tall end panels which have been cut down and joined and trimmed above using our cornice. To keep this display feeling nice and airy, we've gone for a light silestone quartz worktop. We've opted for a very subtle vein to just allow the rest of the kitchen to shine through. In this kitchen, we've got the cooking area, we've got the preparation area, we have dining, we have a bar area, and we've also got a media area within this display. So this is quite a cool toned kitchen with the dove grey and the blue. So we've opted instead for brushed steel accessories in this kitchen in the handles and the tap.